What's up, Paris, Ontario? My name is Alex and I'm with Black and Yellow Pavement. We're out here at Budgell Funeral Home in Paris. We're gonna be doing some crack sealing on this lot. We're gonna apply one heavy coat of our Slurry seal coat. We're gonna freshly paint all the lines. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, Paris, Ontario, out here at Budgell Funeral Home. The crew did an absolutely incredible job and we have a super happy client out here. Hey, if you want to find out why we are Ontario's #1 seal coat brand, give us a call. Be happy to talk to you guys and show you how we can help you as well.